all right. Got the new drive shaft in. That's a lot bigger than the other one. Of course, it's aluminum also. I'm gonna take a look. That's pretty nice. Whew. So there's that adapter, see? There's that adapter that I had to send this to him so he could balance it all together. So that's the adapter for the trans, and then he did a 1350, and then this is where it'll flex, because there's, you know, it's all rigid. And then it goes 3.5 to 4, and yeah, see, here's the guy's CCI driveline, 4-inch aluminum. And then he even, I can't remember what size this was, but I told him what my rear end was, so he put a U-joint in there to match my Mopar rear end. I think that's a 7120. I can't remember. Anyways, yeah, 4-inch aluminum drive shaft, real nice. And what it cost was right at $1,000, which is a good chunk of change. But I mean, he's telling me, you know, with the power and all that stuff, it'll work out, you know. And then this one under here that I had made, they made this one too, and they supplied the flanges. See, there's their CCI. Same thing, slip joint. That was $675 for that, and that's 3.5-inch steel. So I'm going to 4-inch aluminum. Man, $1,000.